Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today is day 3 in Mexico, and honestly, I think this was my favorite day out of all 3 of them. We started the morning with breakfast, and I got a crepe and sausage, which we grabbed some extra sausage for the resort kitty cats. Then we stopped and looked at this insane beach view. It was absolutely gorgeous, and I could have stayed there forever. Then obviously it was pool time. Julie was fully thriving with her margarita, and here's us just vibing, living our best lives, and pretending that we don't have responsibilities back at home. After that, we went back to the room and found a black spiny-tailed iguana just casually existing like he pays rent here. And then Loma's left us chocolate-covered strawberries and champagne. We obviously showered extremely quickly because that champagne was not going to drink itself. After our champagne, we got ready for the gala. That night, it was black and gold themed, and when I tell you it was beautiful, I mean I felt like I accidentally walked into a rich people event. It was stunning. Now let's talk about the food. Fixed carpaccio, potato and truffle soup, short rib, and this amazing dessert. I didn't even know what half of this meant, but I ate it anyway, of course. My sister and I also did this super cute photo video moment, and you could probably tell we were exhausted. And of course, when we got back to the room, more chocolates and goodies. Like at this point, I'm being emotionally supported by these snacks. Anyways, stay tuned for the full hotel review, the good, the bad, and the very interesting.